Hello everyone, so today we will be deploying our React Bootstrap tutorial app into Netlify. So let's go ahead and deploy this app that we have made. So there are two ways that we can deploy our React app into Netlify. So the first would be that we go into the Netlify website, which I am currently at, and you will see a CTA of sign up. You can sign up with your GitHub account and you can authorize Netlify. So after you're done with the sign up with your GitHub account or your email address and password, you can do login. So when you log in, if you're seeing an authentication error, do not worry. You can direct use your email and do the forget password and then enter into your account of Netlify. So here we can see two ways that we can deploy. So one is that we can import from Git. As I have the project already in Git, I can do this. Or you can also not have that project in Git, and if you have it locally, what you can do is you can make a build by running the command npm run build and then drop your build folder here, or you can browse to upload that build folder here and then you can deploy it. So this is how you can do by using the Netlify app. Now we will move on to see how we can do it using the command line interface. So for the second method, we are in our VS Code terminal. So here I'll do a control C to stop this, and I'll do npm run build to generate the build folder. So once it is done, after that we will install our Netlify. So our build has been generated. Now let's install Netlify. So I'll do npm install Netlify CLI, and we will do it globally. So once our Netlify is installed, we will do Netlify deploy. So once we have run this command, we will be getting few instructions on how do we need to do the deployment. So we have to fill it up quickly. So let's wait. So here you can see we are getting two options. Either we can link this directory to an existing site, or we have to configure a new site. So I will be configuring a new site. So it will give you your account, the Netlify account. You need to enter that. And now you need to enter your site name. So I will enter React Bootstrap tutorial and I'll enter. So already exist, please try a different slug. So what I'll do React Bootstrap tutorial, something like this. Let's see if it exists. Okay, so our site is created. Now what we need to do is we have to provide a published directory. So now we will provide our build, uh, which is here, the one that we have built. So I'll just enter. So now this will deploy and give us a draft URL, and we have to check if the draft URL is working fine. So if it is working fine, then we can deploy it to the prod. So now this is our website draft URL. So let me just click on this. So let's open it. So this is our website's draft URL. So looks like that we have followed a broken link or entered a URL that does not exist on the site. So we will go back to our site. So now we need to understand that why has this happened? This has happened because we are using React Router DOM. So we need to do certain things so that our links would work. So back in our VS Code, we need to add a file inside our build, and we will name it redirects. And inside this, what we will do is we will put something like and index.html 200, and we will save this file. So now we will need to deploy it again. So we will do a Netlify deploy after we have changed our existing changes. So here we will write build, and let's go and check out our draft URL to see if everything is working fine. So now as you can see, the carousel is working and the card is also working too. So now we are good to go. Now we can deploy this into prod. So what we will do is Netlify deploy prod. So once it deploys it in the prod, you will have a proper URL which you can share it with anyone, and you have your React app running on the web. So let's see. So we will need to provide build, and we have gone live. So I'll click on this link, and here we go. So let's check if our routings are working fine. So as you can see, they are working nice and fine. So yeah, this is how you can deploy your React app to the Netlify app. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video.